Lighting up the way. Valley Electric Association.
Yesterday, the trial for 25-year-old local mom Ashley Winn continued. This case has Winn facing charges of a DUI-related accident resulting in death in connection to the fatal auto crash that took the life of 33-year-old Christine Weir and injured her then 33-year-old fiance, Brian Schwanier, on September 24, 2016 at the intersection of Honeysuckle and Dandelion Streets. Yesterday, the defense attorney Adam Vanderhayden brought forth witness Dan Berkable, who testified about the importance of inversion after a blood draw. He said the vials of blood must be tipped from top to bottom at least 10 times to prevent blood clots from forming. There was nothing in the reports to indicate that that was done.
There wasn't much said except the blood was drawn. There was no indication that that the blood was inverted. That's very important.
And what does inverted mean for the jury? We don't know what that means.
Well, it's actually a requirement. In Metro's manual, it's required to invert it 10 times.
And what does that mean?
That means you have a tube like here, you're supposed to go like this 10 times because there's powder. 2 powders in that tube that are antibacterial and keep it from coagulating. And if you don't, I spoke to one nurse and she said, how many times, she asked me this question, how many times do you invert that? Because I even see powder after 10 times still in the bottom of the tube.
He also said if there was any alcohol in the stomach prior to eating, the accident could cause a higher than normal reading because of the sphincter closing. He said from the details in the report he watched on CD and read, it was his opinion the blood test results were in a range they could have been lower. He testified that he has smelled alcohol on a person in those circumstances and were not impaired. Also, he said a PBT or breath test should have been taken so extrapolation wouldn't be needed. The expert for the prosecution, Denise Heineman, was recalled and she said lack of inversion did not affect her report or the test.